All right. He sounds like an old car horn.
Where's he from?
He's originally from Grants Pass, Oregon.
Okay.
And I picked him up in Stockton. Yeah, about 8 years ago. Yeah, he likes it. I know. I like your unique little car horn sound.
Oh, really?
Poppy, come here. What's wrong with you?
What's her name?
Poppy.
Poppy! Hi, Poppy. Hi, Poppy. Oh, yes, okay, she's pretty. When I first saw her, I thought she was a husky just because of the size, and then I could tell by the tail or whatever.
Yeah, the eyes.
Yeah.
Are you gonna lay down? You're gonna lay down, big piece? Tell her.
Hey, Hoover. No. She's just being friendly.
Tell her.
That's what I needed to get on film. I got it. That was so
cool. Hoover, hey. Hoover, no. No.